he came and whispered to that woman. Means he whispered means what? He talked in a very slow and in a very slow voice to that woman, that old woman, that I'll help you cross the street if you wish to go. Means I will help you, old woman, if you wish to go. A small boy came out of that group and he asked that woman that I'll help you across if you wish to go. Her aged hand on his strong young arm she placed, and so without hurt or harm he guided the trembling feet along, proud that his own were young and strong. They back again to his friend he went, his young heart happy and well content. Now see here, what is the big thing this small child has done, or small boy has done, that he has taken the arm of that old woman, and he has taken that arm, means he has taken the hand of that old woman, and slowly and steadily he has helped the old woman to cross the lane, to cross the road. Okay, as the woman was aged. Okay, how is her hand? The hand of that woman was aged, so it will be weak, but she has got a strong young arm. Means a strong young arm means what? The arm of that small boy, because the boy is strong, and as the boy is young, the boy is strong also. Okay, and that boy is small, so that that aged woman got helped from the small boy, and she placed, and so without hurt or harm he guided the trembling feet along. Means what? The woman was helped by that one particular individual boy without hurting or trembling. Okay, he guided that boy, guided means like carrying her hand in his hand and showing her the path, that no grandma, come with me, come along with me, I'll show you which is the easiest way to cross this road. And carrying her hand in hand, that boy just helped out. So what happened after this thing? Proud that his own were young and strong, then back again to his friend he went, his young heart happy and well content. Now, as the boy has helped the old woman, how is he feeling now? You can understand the feeling when you help someone, when someone is in very need. See, we normally help anyone, okay, but when you help a person, no bother, even if you know him, or if even if you don't know, if that person is in much need, and if you go and help him, the amount of happiness that we get now, we cannot compare that with anything. Okay, means it's a very good thing to help without expectation. We should not expect in return from that person anything, and we should go and help them. So what is the thing? That boy is feeling very happy when he went back in his group of friends. Okay, so how is his heart? His heart is happy. Okay, his heart is happy, cool, and he's very well content. Means now he's feeling rich from inside. Rich from inside means what? He's cool, calm, and happy. Means his mind is now relaxed, that he has done something good to that other woman. So that is very important thing, to go and help other without expecting anything else. Okay, we'll move further. This is stanza. She is somebody's mother. Okay, now the what is the poet telling? The poet is telling the intention of that boy from the angle of boy. Okay, what is the boy must have thought before going out and helping that old woman? What is that boy thinking? We'll see what is that boy is thinking now. Now the boy has helped the old woman, but what was his intention? Without any expectation, what was the a little bit of intention? She's somebody's mother. Boys you know. For all she is aged and poor and slow, and someone sometime may lend a hand to help my mother. You understand? Means he is not only giving out the answer to all the friends of his group, but also he's asking them the question also, that to understand what was the a small intention of mine. Okay, if ever she is old and poor and gray, and her own dear boy so far away. Now, what is the thing over here is that his only least expectation was that the boy I have helped to that somebody's mother. This mother is not, this old woman is not my mother, but I have helped to somebody's else mother. Means this old woman is also a mother of somebody else, means somebody that can be a girl, that can be a boy. So she must be mother of any of that boy, okay, of or any of that girl. So as like I have today, as because she was needed, she need help from any of the person, but no one helped. So as I have helped, because she was slow and she was needed the help, so I went and I gave a hand. So what happened because of this? Somebody will also help my mother also at that point of time when she needs help. So basically, what the thing is saying, he's saying that as what today I have done, I have went across lane and I have helped any other's mother. So similarly, my mother will also be helped by any other boy or any other person when my mother needs help and I am not near. Means what? I am not near to help my mother. So somebody else will help my mother at that point of time, because today I have helped somebody else's mother instead of expecting anything. Okay, I have helped somebody else's mother. So that thing means I have done good thing. I have shown good respect or good response I have given to that old woman who was in need. She was in need. So similarly, this is what I have given respect to that old woman. Similarly, some other person also will give respect to my mother when she is in need. Okay, this is very important intention that the poet has shown. A beautiful intention she has shown over here, that helping others is not a waste of time. Helping others or cooperating others is not a waste of time. Instead, it is the thing that comes back to you when you are in need, when you are in a much need. Somebody, you must have thought that you are in much more need, means there is some problem with you, okay, and you are not able to cope up, or you are not able to solve that problem, and suddenly some hand or some friend, okay, come and he unexpectedly he help you directly or indirectly, so you feel relaxed. So this is what you must help someone. This is what you have helped anyone else, and hence this help has came back to you. Means if you help, if you cooperate, or if you speak good on others now, that thing comes back to you. Means what is the poet? The main intention of the poet is saying, whatever you do, even if you do good, even if you do bad, will come back to you today or after that. So it's better to live properly. It's better to behave good, give respect, give care, affection. Okay, all these things are a good value that every individual, and as you all are students, these are the basic values that you all should have in your particular life. It will you shape life. Okay, we'll come to the last stanza of this poem. Somebody bowed her head in her home at night, and the prayer she said was, "God be kind to that noble boy who is somebody's son and pride and joy." See, now what happens means how the Okay, how the things work around the corner of a table. Like what happens is that now as that boy has helped that old lady, that old woman who is mother of someone else, not his. Okay, the boy has helped. So as she was also helped when she is at her home. She might be thinking at night when after having her dinner and before going to her bed or before sleeping. Okay, she, what is she doing? She is praying to that God Almighty. Oh God, my Almighty, that keep that boy in good condition or bless that boy who has helped today. And you please be kind with that boy. Means show mercy, show kindness to that boy. Oh God, show kindness or mercy to that boy who helped me today. Means what? See, if you will help now, that person will give you blessing. And as this old woman was like, how was she? She was like his grandmother's age. So she was giving blessings and she was praying to the God that please God, be kind with that boy. That boy has helped me. In that whole crowd, no one was least bothered. No one was even looking at me and seeing my fear, my anxiety. Okay, but that boy just came out without any expectation, and he came and he helped and he went also. So just have blessings over this sweet little boy. Okay, who is somebody's son, pride and joy? Means who is somebody's else son. Now that boy is not her son. That boy is somebody's else son, and that boy is somebody's else son, and he is pride and joy of that mother also. Okay, so just be kind, good, and fine with that boy. Okay, I hope you all have used this program. And basic theme of this poem is similarly the thing that we have seen right now. Uh, I hope you all have understood, uh, as this poem have these basic values that show respect or give respect. In return, you will get respect, which is very much needed. These are the more moral values which we all have to pursue in our own life. Okay, these are the basic ethics that we should go and help anyone else beyond any reason, beyond expectation. Okay, so this is the poem, somebody's mother. There are some meanings. There are some words which have meanings in this poem. uh, okay, as I have told you that there are rhyming schemes also. Rhyming words are there in this poem. Can you have I hope you all have identified which are these words, but we will see which are the words are that.